Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the Boker plus Kihon. Really awesome knife. So overall length is 7 7/8 of an inch. Blade length is 3 1/4 inch of VG10. And the handles, well excuse me, there's a frame lock on it right there. Handle length is 4.5 inches of gray titanium, and it's got this nice triangle pattern on it. And just under 4 ounces. And here's your size comparison next to a tactical clothespin. There you have it. And it's got a pocket clip for tip-up right-handed carry. And you've got flipper for opening. You can also use the thumb stud, and you can use the back thumb. Whoops, excuse me. You can use the back thumb stud and kind of spidey flick it out, if you will. So really awesome. I actually have the mid-tech right here. I wanted to show you guys a few of the differences between it. As you can see, they have used a flat pivot screw as opposed to a Torx pivot screw, so it only unscrews on one side. The frame and the blade are actually a bit slimmer on the Boker, and they've done a little bit of milling work on the inside. So if you can see there on the Boker, they've milled out some of the handle, whereas on the mid-tech version they did not do any of that. So that basically helps make this one lighter, and you know, they've made a few other small milling detail changes here and here, but yeah, overall it's very similar to the mid-tech, and it flips pretty similarly, so that is always nice. But anyways guys, I love this knife. I think you'll love it too. This is the Boker plus Kihon. Go ahead and check it out at bladehq.com.